The best thermos for hot food are insulating containers that keep food hot for a long time. Whenever there is a need to take your hot food with you, you tend to reach for your thermos food jar if you have one. It works by reducing the possibility of heat escape. This is due to the vacuum created between the two flasks that are joined at the neck. We tend to be on the move more often than usual, so it is not a bad idea to take your delicious homemade food with you, and storage containers made with thermal materials are great heat retainers. To say the least, homemade food is always healthier than fast food. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best food thermos. So let's get started.
Hi, if you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 5. Stanley Vacuum Thermos. Most thermoses tend to lose their temperature regulating properties after a long time of consistent use. The Stanley Vacuum Insulated Thermos for hot food is one of the very few that will retain its temperature regulating properties for a long. This superior quality stainless steel thermos will keep your food just as hot as you want it. It features double wall vacuum insulation that is not dependent on the external temperature. Its wide mouth opening ensures that you do not struggle to get your food out. It also allows the use of a tea strainer if you plan to keep your tea hot for a long time. To cover its wide mouth is a premium lid that stops spills and prevents leakages. The Stanley thermos for hot food is highly recommended for camping. No matter how much you jostle the container, your food never pours. Number 4. MIRA Lunch Thermos for hot food. Perhaps you are not so keen on fast food. The MIRA vacuum insulated stainless steel lunch thermos is ideal for you. You can stop eating fast food and rather take your own home-cooked meal with you. There is no fear of carrying it in your backpack, as this highly rated food jar is leak-proof and spill-proof. There is no point looking for a microwave, as this 400mm capacity thermos utilizes the MIRAGuard technology to keep your food hot for a minimum of 5 hours. The MIRA vacuum insulated lunch thermos features an 18/8 food-grade stainless steel construction. This rust-proof and corrosion-resistant thermos does not retain or transfer flavors from food stored in it. This triple insulated thermos for hot food is bisphenol A, BPA, free. We highly recommend this high-quality and durable food jar if you require one that has a slip-free grip. Number 3. HomePuff Vacuum Thermos. Take your favorite meal everywhere you go with the HomePuff Vacuum Insulated Thermos Food Jar. This high-temperature resistant thermos for hot food keeps your food hot for at least 5 hours. Its smooth and wide 83mm mouth makes it easy to fill up and easier to serve. Its external stainless steel construction is superb, and its inner surface is treated with electrolyte charge. The taste of your meal remains unchanged. The HomePuff Vacuum Insulated Thermos for hot food has a capacity of 308 milliliters and measures 13 by 10 centimeters. It features a double-layered wall that is vacuum insulated. Heat loss by conduction and convection is reduced. The inner silicone traps the heat safely and securely. In case of pressure buildup, this exceptional thermos for hot food has a steam hole with a button that can be pressed to release the steam pressure. Number 2. LunchBots Thermos. A snowy winter morning cannot reduce the hotness of any food you put into the LunchBots triple insulated thermos. No matter how long your meeting at the office lasts, this exceptional food container will keep your food hot till the moment you open it. Its impressive thermal technology will undoubtedly keep your food hot for a minimum of 6 hours. This 8-ounce thermos for hot food is one of the best on the market. The LunchBots triple insulated thermos features a durable stainless steel interior. Though the exterior of the lid is made of plastic, the interior is pure stainless steel. The leak-proof design of this thermos for hot food guarantees you zero leakage even if it falls on its side. This food container is bisphenol A free and serves as a great thermos for your kids to take to school. Number 1. Simple Modern Thermos. Take your homemade food with you to the office with the Simple Modern Insulated Thermos for hot food. This premium storage container keeps your hot food hot. It is made with high-grade stainless steel that is rust-resistant and corrosion-proof. This is the best thermos for hot food that fits your modern lifestyle. It features double-walled insulation that is unbeatable. The Simple Modern Insulated Thermos comes in 12, 16, 24, and 32-ounce capacities. Thanks to the copper interior coating, this quality thermos for hot food will keep your delicious meal hot for at least 6 to 8 hours. Luckily, it doesn't weigh too much, so it can be carried around with ease. Moreover, its colorful design will make you carry it confidently without worrying about what anyone has to say. That was our list of the top 5 best food thermos just for you.